Tonight I want to speak to you about acceptance. Not the word you have heard 1,000 times, but the living experience of what it truly means to accept. Many think acceptance is waiting, remaining still until something shifts. No. True acceptance is not effort, but awareness in motion. The recognition that what appears before you is the unfolding of an act already finished. To accept is to stand at the destination, knowing the journey is complete. To perceive from fulfillment rather than toward it. It is the confidence that imagination has already accomplished its task, and light is merely revealing what was settled beyond sight. For the one who truly accepts stands as the still center of a world in perfect motion. He no longer measures progress by sight, for he knows the cause has already been planted, and every scene is the ripening of what imagination has sown. Think of reading a novel. When you reach page 50, you know the ending was written long before you turned the first page. The author is not writing as you read. You are simply moving through what has already been written. So it is with this story we call creation. The outcome is certain. Every chapter lives now. You reveal it by returning again and again to the conclusion. They say, I am dwelling in the end, yet when night falls, proof becomes their prayer. Faith turns into the question, when will it happen? They measure how far they still are, forgetting that the world is only showing them what they have already imagined. So I tell you, when life appears to contradict your desire, see it as proof that the law is moving. Stand in the knowing that it is already done, that what you once declared in imagination is now expressing itself in form. For nothing imagined in faith remains invisible. If a delay comes, think, this too is part of the arrangement. It only means the pieces are taking their rightful place. If an obstacle rises, see it as the bridge your imagination prepared, the very path through which fulfillment must come. Cross it in certainty, for the end waits unchanging on the other side. The outer realm is not your opponent. It has no life of its own. It moves as consciousness moves, reflecting your inner stance with perfect precision. Every circumstance, whether favorable or adverse, is the law performing your assumption. What appears as change is but consciousness rearranging itself into visibility. When the call doesn't come, when results seem to alter appearance, when everything seems reversed, recall this truth. Every act unfolds within a drama long finished. What stands before you is no adversary, but the promise taking shape in its appointed hour. Acceptance, in its purest form, is the majesty of one who knows the end is sure. He does not beg, he does not strain. He looks upon movement and calls it fulfillment. He walks as one already home, for in consciousness he has taken his rightful place, and the world, faithful mirror, must reveal in perfect sequence and divine order the glory that was yours before the world began. Every encounter, every word, every pause, every turn is the law expressing itself through motion, the fact made visible by your own faith. So honor the power that imagined it all, not a distant deity, but your own awareness. For that awareness is creation itself, and through true acceptance you behold its flawless order. So I tell you, awake, for you are God dreaming in flesh. Creation is finished, every outcome already set in motion. Your acceptance is command, your assumption law. There is no other God, The cause of all the phenomena of life is your own consciousness. Stand as the cause, for none in heaven or earth surpass the power that you are.